Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell Inspiron laptop. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEX 16GB DDR4 SODIMM memory module, designed for a range of Inspiron models, including the 3581, 3583, 3785, and several others. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance, slow loading times, or just general frustration with your Inspiron speed, upgrading the RAM is often the most cost-effective solution. This ATEX module boasts a speed of 2,666 MHz, which falls under the PC4-21300 specification. This means it can handle data quickly and efficiently, leading to a noticeable improvement in overall system responsiveness. The SODIMM form factor is crucial here, as it's the standard for laptops. This particular module is also non-ECC, which is perfectly fine for most everyday users. ECC memory is typically used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. For general use, gaming, and even some light content creation, non-ECC RAM is more than sufficient. Installation is generally straightforward. Consult your Dell Inspiron's manual for specific instructions on accessing the RAM slots. Typically, it involves removing a panel on the bottom of the laptop and carefully inserting the new RAM module into the available slot. Make sure to properly align the notch on the module with the notch in the slot, and apply even pressure until it clicks into place. One of the great things about this ATEX module is its compatibility with a wide range of Inspiron models. It's always a good idea to double-check your specific model's compatibility before purchasing, but the list provided 3581, 3583, 3785, 3790, 3793, 5368, 5593, 7378, 7791 covers a significant portion of the Inspiron lineup. After installing the RAM, you should notice a significant improvement in multitasking capabilities. You'll be able to run more applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns. Programs will launch faster, and you'll likely see a boost in gaming performance as well, especially in titles that are RAM-intensive. The ATEX 16GB DDR4 SODIMM is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their Dell Inspiron's memory. It's a relatively inexpensive upgrade that could deliver a substantial performance boost, making your laptop feel like new again. If you're tired of waiting for programs to load or struggling with multiple applications open at once, this RAM upgrade is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.